We have a Dell WD15 docking station here with a broken USB-C connector. And we have another Dell WD15 docking station here with a not perfect, but an alright USB connector, but the actual dock itself is dead. So we're going to be swapping over the cables on these two so that we can get the working USB-C onto the working dock and get the broken USB-C onto the broken dock. So what you're going to need is a screwdriver, and I'm using an iFixit kit here. And what you want to do is try and peel back the rubber that's surrounding the. Let me get my camera up here. You want to try and peel back the rubber that's surrounding the USB-C cable. And what you want to do is take off the two screws that are on show, and you have this pretty fiddly to remove piece of metal which prefers to come out with both hands on this. So if I put my camera down a sec. So this came out. You can see it has two posts. So the posts sit down those two holes there, which hold in the actual connector. So we can leave that to one side and just need to repeat the process on this one here. So this one, you can see the screws are still in. So I can set my camera up here maybe. Let's show you the whole process. This one taken out, and then all we need to do is plug this new one into here. Get that out of the way to make it a little bit more easier. And now we want to trap it in place basically. So we take any one of these will do and just put it in the right way, so they only go in one way, and you'll see it sits in there nicely. And then it's just a case of adding the screws back in place. So you just drop one in there, and do the same on the other side. And when you're done, you should see something like this. So if you try and peel back the rubber, you'll see two screws holding down your plate, which holds down your USB-C cable. You can just push that rubber back down, and then we have it. We have a docking station here with a working body, and now a complete USB-C assembly to plug into a laptop. This dock we can send back to Dell for repair and bundle the cable in with it. So rather than send two docks back, we have one working one and one dead unit. Hope this has been somewhat helpful for anyone trying to swap out the USB-C cables on a docking station. And most of the Dell docks are absolutely identical. So there's a WD15 over here, and if you flip that over, it's much the same process underneath with just pulling off this unit where the USB-C is plugged in. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.